Okay, let's refocus a little bit. All right, today we're going to take a look at another nice little Zippo that just arrived. And I also got a new shipment of CowBells in. One. It's my favorite. Here's a new one. That's just a little magnet. 2, and it's 3 and 4. So I got a total of 4 CowBells now. I am going to send one of these to a friend in California, and maybe it'll help his arm to heal up a little bit faster. But let's take a look at the latest Zippo. Okay, this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it says James Bond GoldFinger. Let's take a look at it, and it flipped out over here, and here is the Zippo. You can see it's got Sean Connery, Agent 007, James Bond, Gerta Frobe, Honor Blackman as this lady right there, Pussy Galore, Shirley Eaton. One of the best movies to come out. I think it was in '62 maybe. Might have been, it's somewhere around there. I can't read that fine print. Anyway, I don't know what year it came out in, but it's a necessary addition to anybody's collection. I still don't see what year. Oh, there it is, 1964 in color. So that is an excellent movie for anybody to watch. And it's also my favorite. Well, let's take a look at this Zippo. It's got a special insert. It's got the 007 James Bond trademark, all rights reserved, at 007 or www.007.com. Nice little insert. There is the Zippo. It's on, looks like a brushed chrome finish. And this one was made in, looks like F of 18. That's around June of last year. Pretty good stampings. It's got a steel insert. Real good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on James Bond. GoldFinger drop test. Take 1. That one out. Let's try it again. GoldFinger Zippo drop test. Take 2. Okay, so this Zippo GoldFinger passes at last. It passes the drop test. That is an excellent one for my collection, and I will definitely give it a little cowbell. Now, if I can only choose which one to give it, let's use this one. Knuckle bump.